Hi guys, Tim here. So welcome to my blog tutorial. In this tutorial I want to explain you everything step by step on how to create your own blog with the help of WordPress and Elementor. I will show you everything step by step so that you can follow me and create your own professional blog. If you want to start a blog, I think this is perfect for you. I will show you everything in detail. Here is the result. You can build something like this. Of course, you can fully customize this. You don't have to follow me step by step. You can insert your own style. You can input your own images, and this is what I want to show you. Here you can see we built this beautiful blog. The blog has many good functions. Here you can see the overview of our blog posts. They are really professional and really good. Here you can see we have different sections on the website that I want to show you. And so then of course we have I show you everything, how to build the footer, how to build the header section. I will show you how to create a logo for free. I will show you a really good tool. With the help you can create your own free logo. If you don't have one, then I will show you all the pages, how to create the pages, how to customize the pages. Here you can see we built together the About Us page, then we have a Contact Us page. Here we have a cool call to action button. You can fully customize this, and this is what I want to show you in this tutorial. If you look down, you can see all the chapters. So I put in all the chapters, so I name the chapters, and if you want to skip a chapter, if you for example know how to I will explain you how to use Elementor and you know already how to use Elementor, then you can skip this. Or you have already a hosting and a domain name, then you can skip this, jump back and forward, and so you know what I mean. And so cool. Then I think let's jump right into the tutorial. So, and first of all, let's talk about hosting. So what is hosting, why you need hosting, and why hosting is important. So of course, if you want to start a blog or build a blog or a website in general or an e-commerce store, then you need hosting. Hosting means that all your data of your website will get stored in the internet, and this is what hosting is. Hosting platform are big computers that are connected to the internet, and you rent out these computers or the space on the computer where you put all your data, and then you connect this with your domain name. And this is definitely what you need. So here I can show you a really good hosting company. So I think you are familiar with Elementor. So Elementor, of course, is one of the most popular WordPress plugins, and also companies that provide services and products around WordPress. And Elementor has their own hosting company. So Elementor is really reliable. Elementor hosting is really fast, is really affordable, and really secure. Here you can see it starts from $2.99 per month, and you get a free domain name. You can see, so they have a different plans. Here you can see, for example, they have a light plan, a basic plan, business plan, and a grow plan. So I think for a normal blog you need the basic plan is enough. If you go with the basic plan, here you can see everything what you get with the basic plan. You get, of course, if you sign up here, then you get your domain name for free, and up to 25,000 monthly visitors, 10 gigabyte storage, 30 gigabyte bandwidth, backups, free domain, like I said, free SSL, free premium SSL. So SSL is really important. SSL is a security certificate. That means if you don't have SSL, then the data between the user or somebody that is on the website and the server is not secure. So that means hackers or something like this can access the data, and this is why an SSL certificate is very, very important. And if you, for some example, if you're using the Google Chrome browser and you don't have an SSL certificate, then Google will show you a warning. This site is not secure. Please leave the site. So this is why it's very important that you have an SSL certificate. It doesn't matter if you go with Elementor hosting or another hosting company, so make sure that you have an SSL certificate. And yeah, so there are so many other features here. You get a ton of premium widgets, premium designs, and also the good thing about this is you get 24/7 premium support. This means if there is something wrong with your website, when your website is down, if you have some problems with your hosting, then you can contact them via email, via phone, and they will help you out. And this is really, really great. So Elementor is I think the most established company in the field of WordPress and plugins and themes, and I think this is a really good option. So the link to this website, to the WordPress hosting, you can find in my video description down below. If you click on the link, then you will land directly on the page. And yeah, so when you, for example, when you sign up, and the good thing is when you sign up, when you, for example, click here on the Buy Now button, then you have to, of course, provide all your informations and your email address, and then you can choose your desired domain name, mynewblog.com or something like this, and they will automatically activate this domain name and connect the domain name with your hosting. And then when you have paid for the service, then you will get redirected to another page where the system asks you if the system should automatically install WordPress for you. And this is really genius, because you don't have to download anything, any WordPress software. You simply have to click one button and they will install everything for you, and everything is done, everything is set up, SSL certificate, everything. You can choose your email address, and then they will send all the informations to you via email. Then you can log in into your WordPress backend, and then you can start creating your website. So, and this is the great benefit of such a company like Elementor. They know exactly what you want to do with the website. Here you can see all the informations. Like I said, I will leave the link to this website in the video description down below, so you can read it and make sure that you understand everything. So you can see CDN network is included. That means a content delivery network. So that means that your website is really faster. That you have a really fast website. Powerful Google Cloud Platform, advanced caching, handshake, 99% uptime, automatic daily backup. So that means when your website crashes for some reason, then you can simply click one button and everything is restored. And this is what's included in their package here. They have so many good features. If you are searching for a good hosting company, or where you can buy hosting and a domain name, then I think you should go with Elementor, or you should check out at least Elementor. They have so many good functions. And of course, in this tutorial, we are working with the Elementor page builder. So this is, of course, then a premium. That's it for the hosting and domain name part. And here you also can see what they offer. The CDN network, a premium SSL certificate, the pro website builder, and the priority support. This is everything amazing. Yeah, like I said, I leave the link in the video description down below so you can check it out and make sure to choose the right package. So when you want to build a normal blog, you can go with the light version or the basic version. I think one of these are more than enough for creating a blog. So when you want to create a company website or an e-commerce website where more visitors come to your website and you need more functions or more space, then of course you should go with something like this or even this. But for a normal blog that we want to build in this tutorial, basic and light is enough. So yeah, then I think that's it for the hosting part. And yeah, now enough for talking and let's jump right into the tutorial. This is our brand new WordPress website. Here you can see this is the welcome screen. If you installed your new WordPress website, you can see welcome to WordPress. I am right now on version 6.6.2. Of course, it depends on when you watch this video. Maybe you are on a higher version, but this is completely okay. So then we can close this window by clicking here on dismiss. Then this window disappears, and yeah, this is your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see this is the main dashboard. You can see the site health. So this takes a while for the website to gather all the informations about your website, about the server, and then here this window tells you if everything okay. Normally everything is okay. When here's an error, then you can click, or a warning message, then you click and can see what's wrong with your website, so on. And here you can see at a glance. Right now we have one post, one page, and one comment. So this is all generated by WordPress. So this is a test post, this is a sample sample page, and this is a sample comment. We can later delete this because we don't need this. And yeah, activity, WordPress events. So then, yeah, if you want to, you can go to these WordPress events. And yeah, so then let me show you what's all about, what's everything here. Let me show you post. Here you can see post. When you click on all posts, then you can see all posts right now on your website. This is the test post, hello world. So we can later delete this. Then you can create a new post by clicking add new post, or here add new post. Categories, you can make different categories, which makes sense. So we can later do this. Then media, when you click here on media, here are later you can see all your media files, all your images, everything you upload to your website. You can manage this, you can delete this, edit this, and so on. Then here you can see pages. And these are all our pages. So we have a sample page and we have a privacy policy. This is currently in draft mode. Then yeah, later we have to delete the sample page. Then comments. Here you can see the comments. When you publish a post and somebody writes a comment, then you can manage this here. For example, spam, or you can manage this here, or you can simply click on trash. Let's click here on trash, then this comment is deleted. Appearance, let's click here on appearance. These are our themes that are currently installed. This 2024 is our theme that is currently active. You can see active. Then we have the 2023, 2022. These are all the standard WordPress themes. We can later delete them because we don't need them. So to delete this, we can simply click here. And then we have here the delete button. Yes, we want to delete this, and we can do this, delete, we don't want this. So, and this theme is currently active, so we cannot delete this because we need at least one theme installed and active. So later when we install our own theme, or the theme for the blog, then we can delete this. And yeah, let's go here to plugins. Here you can see nothing in right now because we don't have installed any plugins. Later we can see all our installed plugins. We can manage them here. User, user is only the admin. That's me. Then tools, so this is not really important. Then we click on settings. This is relatively important. On general, here you can give your new blog a title. So when you have, for example, a blog about holidays, a holiday blog, then you can give it the name here. A side icon, we do this later. This is really important. The side icons is this here on top. This right now we have the standard WordPress fav icon, so we later want to change this. Then here's our URL. We don't want to change this. You can see the site language is English. Okay, everything good. Then writing, nothing too important. Reading is relatively important. So when you click here on reading, then you can see down here search engine visibility. So make sure that here is no check mark in there, because when here's a check mark, then your website tells Google and all the other search engines that you don't want Google and the other search engine to show your website. And this is really important that here is no check mark in. When there's a check mark, then delete the check mark and click on save changes and everything is good. So then let's go to discussion. Is nothing important. Media, nothing is not important. What's important, let's click here on permalinks and make sure that in the permalink structure that is set to post name. So when it's set to plain, then you have some strange URL endings here, or this is not good. So the best is when you go to post name and then click save changes. So perfect. Then we set up, then we completed the WordPress setup. Everything is good. And in the next step, we want to install our theme that we want to use for this blog. So to do this, we go here to Appearance and Theme again. And then we click on the button here on top, Add New Theme. Here you can see all the themes that are available. There are thousands and thousands of themes you can choose, but we want to go with Astra. You can see Astra is on the third place here because it's one of the most popular WordPress themes. So if you don't see Astra, then you can simply search. Here you can see the search box, search for Astra. And then you will find this. So we click here on install, then the theme get downloaded and installed on our website. This of course takes a while, and yeah, already downloaded, installed. Then we can click on activate. So now you can see our theme is activated. This 2024 theme is deactivated. Then you can see here this big banner and we click here, let's get started with a starter template. So we click here, then this function gets activated so that we, here you can see we want to choose a starter template so that we don't have to start from scratch, that we have something to work with. So it's relatively difficult when you have only a blank page. So when we choose a starter template, then we have something to start with. Yeah, this is the best we can do. So then let's wait, I hope. Okay, perfect. Now we see this display, AI website builder. We don't want this. We want to go with classic starter templates. Then we click here, build with templates. We can dismiss this message. So, and then here are all the starter templates. Now we have to go on top here. You can see the page builder. Now, right now it's set to block editor. We click here and we want to choose Elementor. Then this page will get refreshed. Okay, I think now it's working. So now I'm on Elementor. I don't know why I have to go back and exit this app and then reload the app, But now I can see everything here. You can see all the starter templates. Here are also premium starter templates. So this means that we have to pay for them, but we want to use a free starter template. So, and we want to use for our blog, we want to use this outdoor adventure. So of course we can fully customize this. We can change images, we can change the layout. This is only that we have to have something to start with. So then I will click here, and now you can see this is the preview of our new website, how this looks. Here, if you already have a logo, for example, then you can click here and upload your logo directly. Right now we don't, or I don't have a logo. We will make the logo later in this video. So I will ignore this for now. Here you can see the fonts. You can choose different fonts. Maybe we go outfit DM Sans. Let's go with this. Yeah, choose your desired font, and here you can see here you can choose the color, the theme colors. Right now we are on this pinkish color, or you can choose blue, green. So you can choose whatever you like. Let's go here with this orange, for example. Yeah, orange looks good. Then we click on continue. Here we can click on skip this step. We don't want to install any of these apps or plugins. Then we don't have to fill this out. Then we click on submit and build my website. So right now, all the data, all the images will get downloaded and our website get built, or the database will get built for our website. And yeah, this takes a while, depends on your internet connection, on your speed. And yeah, let's see how this is going. Okay, and the installation process is finished. Then we can click on view your website, so then we can see how our website looks. And yeah, this is our new website. So of course we have to fully customize this, but yeah, this is just something to start with. Yeah, it looks really good. And here you can see we are right now on the home page. We have an about us page. This is, I think, really important that you create the About Us page or fill out the About Us page. Make this, yeah, tell your story, why you built the blog, and so on. So explain a little bit about yourself. So when a reader or when a visitor comes to your website, and then yeah, they can read your story, or they can get more information about you. Services, I don't think that we need this. We can deactivate or delete the website or this page. We have another page, projects. Yeah, we can, I think, deactivate it. And what's yeah, relatively important is contact. So when somebody wants to contact you, have questions, then they can contact you. You can, for example, put in your phone number, your email address, but also we can delete this if you don't want to have this. And here you can, for example, connect your social media accounts. And yeah, perfect, looks good. Everything looks good. Then let's go back here and then let's click on visit dashboard. So then we are right now, we can do this. Then we are now on the dashboard. And now we want to install important plugins. So we need some plugins so we get more functionalities, more functions. So, and to this, we simply go here on the left side, plugins. We click on add new plugin. And here you can see we are right now on the featured plugins. So what we want to install is, you can see here, classic widget. We can click on install now. And then we go to popular. And here we want to install Yoast SEO. So we want to have an SEO plugin, relatively important. Then the next is we want to install, where is it? Essential add-ons for Elementor. So this is yeah, a really good plugin to get more functions for Elementor. We want to click here on install now. Okay, this is installed, and the next plugin we have to search for the plugin. So we go here to the search plugin bar, and then we type in Xena. And here, this is the first Xena extensions for Elementor. We click on install now. And the next plugin we want to use is on the search bar, we search for child theme. And the first child theme configurator. So we want to get a child theme. I will explain you later what this is, what the functions and why we install or create a child theme. So perfect. Then we have all the plugins needed. So then we go on the left side, installed plugins. Then here we can see all our plugins. So the first we want to active is classic widgets. We click here on activate. The next we can click on add child theme configurator. So then this is activated. The next, yeah, essential add-ons, activate. I think proceed to next step. Basic, yes. Here we see all available features, so we can toggle them on or off. Content elements, yeah, let me see, dynamic content, we can enable everything. So this of course is completely free, so we don't need this. Or wait a second, we have installed WP forms, so we activate this WP forms, then we click on next. Next, then here we click on skip, so we don't want to have all this templates, and then finish. Congratulations, yeah, perfect, great. So then we can go back to plugins, installed plugins, and the next we want to activate is Xena extensions. Activate. So, and here we don't have to fill out anything, everything is good. Then we go again to plugins, click on plugins. So yeah, Yoast SEO we will activate later. Then, and it is really important that you activate the automatic update functions. You can see for every plugin we have this function. So enable. This means when there is a new version or an update, then your website automatically download the newest version of this plugin and install it. So this is, yeah, really important that your plugins are always up to date. When there is a new update, that means maybe you get new functions or vulnerabilities will get closed or something like this. So when you have outdated plugins, this is really dangerous, because when the plugins are outdated, then chances are high that there are vulnerabilities, and yeah, so this is really important that we enable everything. Perfect, then everything is good. And yeah, the next step is we want to create our child theme. And to install the child theme, we have to go to, or hover over tools, and then you can see here down below child themes. We click here. Then you can see we have chosen Astra because we have activated the Astra theme. Then we click on analyze and say everything is okay. Then we go down, and then here you can see the button create new child theme, and the child theme is created. So then next step is we go appearance themes. So then we want to delete this standard theme. Delete, yes. And now we have here our two themes, the main Astra theme and the main Astra theme is activated, and here's the child theme. So then we click on activate. So then our child theme is activated. That means a child theme, then we can make changes to the theme, and if there is an update, for example for the Astra theme, then all our changes are not wiped out. If we don't have a child theme and we make changes on with the CSS code, I want to show you later, then let's say for example we make a CSS code, changes in the CSS code, and there is an update from the main Astra theme, then everything gets wiped out and everything is gone. This is why we have to have a child theme, so then all our changes are not affected. So the next is we want to go, we click here on the main Astra theme, theme details. And here we have to click on enable auto update. So if there is a new update, when they close a vulnerability, then it will automatically get downloaded and updated. So we don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, then we click on X. So everything is good. Let's see how our website looks like. Or if the website works. Yeah, everything is okay. It's all the same. Perfect. Now we want to create our logo. So of course we want to have a really good looking logo. And to make this, we want to go to this website, logomaker.com. I will put the link to this website in the video description down below. Yeah, then we are here on the main website. Then we can click on Start My Design. Create a new design. So then we can click here on next. This is a little explainer, next, and everything is good. So here, done. So then yeah, here you can design your logo. For example, I want to build a website or a blog about dogs. Then I click. Oh, then let's see if we can find a good logo or a good image of a dog. So of course, if you have a blog about, I don't know, cars or travel or something like this, then you can search for a cool yeah, graphic for your about your topic. And also of course you can use Photoshop or Canvas or something like this, but this tool is relatively good. They have a ton of graphics and this is completely free. Let me choose this, for example. Yeah, this looks good. So then the next, let me add a text. That's my dog blog. Style, let's see here, let's do this. Fill, here we can change the color. Let's give it this color for now. How we can change this, or let's first we click here on crop. So then we can make this a little bit bigger, here a little bit smaller. So then we click on OK. Let me see, how can I change the color here of this dog? Fill color. I don't want to have the fill color. Where can I change this? Come on. Okay. Simply go here. Let's give it this color, for example. Okay, perfect. So then we click on Save Logo, I think. Yeah, and then we click on download. Yeah, here, download low resolution. So we can click here, not the big button. We click here on download low resolution. Then we have to give our email address. My microphone is in the way, of course. There's my email address. Accept, then send file to email. So perfect. Then I will go to my email and check if the logo is there. Okay, and here's my logo. I can right click and save image as. Let me see, where's my folder? Blog tutorial. Then give it a name, doc block logo, and maker. Delete this. Save. Okay, now this is saved. We can leave this for now. Okay, now we have our logo, and yeah, now we are back on our website here, and we click on Customize. Here are all the options for our website. You can see the global settings. You can change the typography, the colors, container, buttons, scroll to top. You can enable this. So then here you have the scroll to top button, and you click this, then it's go back to the top. And if you want to change the color, or you can do this here, a border radius. You can add a border radius, make this for all. Doesn't work. So 5, then we have the round corners. Can go back. Accessibility is okay. Block editor. So enable smooth scrolling. We can enable this. Go back. And yeah, header builder. So when we click here on header builder, then you can see this menu opens, and you can see everything what's inside of our website header. See here, site title and logo, and on this side is the primary menu and the button. So then we can click on logo. We want to disable this different logo for Retina devices. So for Apple device, you can give, when somebody is going with their MacBook on your website, then you can provide a different logo, but we don't want this. We only want one logo. Click here, select files. Then we can upload our new created logo. Here, there's our new logo. Then we click on select, skip cropping. And yeah, here's our logo. Then we can make it bigger or smaller, logo width. So something like this. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, perfect. So, and later we forgot to make the site icon. Let's click here on publish, so that this is saved. And then we can go back to the logo maker. I will click here, and then we can crop this. That we only have our doc image. Okay. Then again, click on save. And again, we have to download a low resolution file. Yeah, our email again. Accept, send file. So now again, we have to go back to our email provider, and we have to download this logo. And here is our fav icon. Right click, save as. We call it fav. No. Working. Fav. Save. Great, then we go back here and now we can go side icon, select side icon, and then we can click here down, upload files, select files, and here we can select this, open, select, keep cropping. So and now you can see we have a fav icon, our cute little dog, publish. Okay, and the next thing we want to do is designing our page. So then here we have other settings, but this or these settings we will take a look later. So here are settings for our blog, but first we need to create some blog posts, then we can take care of the settings for the blog, and this is what we want to do later. So then when we have clicked on the publish button, then we can click on the X button here, and this brings us back to our homepage. And so of course you can fully customize this page, and this is what I want to show you now. So I will now do the basics so that we have a blog post, a good looking blog post. Of course you can, if you want to have text here or whatever, then you can do this. But let me show you how this works. So you can see on the very top here you have this black bar, and here is edit with Elementor. So when we are on the homepage right now, then I right click this and I click open in a new tab. Then our Elementor page builder is here. So then we get the greeting message. We can exit this out. This we can exit out as well, and this as well. So now we are in the Elementor page builder. So Elementor page builder is, I think, one of the best, if not the best page builder out there. So it is relatively easy to learn. So you can see when you are here on the page, then you can see these box is active. So Elementor is built all in these boxes, and inside the boxes you have the content. So here you can see the outline of the main box where this big image is in. So when we and in this box here are different elements. So here you can see a text element, and here this element, and a heading element, and a button element, and also these the background image, for example. When we go here on the box settings on these six little dots, then a menu will open for this box. You can see edit container, and when we click here you can see you have different settings, the width of the box, the height of the box, the direction, and much more. But what we want to do, or we want to change the background image. So then we go here to style, and here you can see the background, and here is our background image. When we scroll further down, we have other options that we could expand. So here background overlay, there we can place another background border. We can style the border if we want. Shape divider. Shape divider is relatively cool. Here you can see down, this is a hard cutoff, and we can choose a shape divider. So when we click on bottom and then type, then we have different types. For example, we go with pen opacity. Here, but you can see that we can play around here, but this is not the very best. Let's see, wave brush. Wave brush is not bad, and here we can customize this. Yeah, this looks cool. The height, this is good. You can flip it, bring it to front. Yeah, this is good. And also the color. So the color is now white, but our main color in this case on my website here is this the sand color, this yellow sand sandish color. And I don't have the color right now, so I click to get the color. I click on this box where the color is in, and I hope I can find the color here. Let's click on style, and yeah, you can see the color of the background is here, this sandish color, and here's the hex code. So we simply copy the hex code and go back to this box. Then we go back to shape divider, bottom, and here we can specify the color, and we paste in the hex code. So then, yeah, the color matches here. So perfect. Then let's go back to background. So in my case, I want to build a blog about dogs. So I already downloaded some cool images. If you want to know where you get images, so of course you can, let me close this real quick. You can go to, what's the name? freepik.com. I really like the site freepik.com, and I don't know why my internet connection is so slow. Every time I make a video, my internet connection goes down. I don't know if this is purely coincidence or if this has something to do with the OBS recording software. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, finally, the website is here. I think I have to crack the password for the Wi-Fi from my neighbors or something like that. I don't know what's going on here. So, but yeah, back to the topic. So if you want to, or if you're searching for images, this website is really cool, freepik.com. Here you find all kinds of images. Here you have, when you are on the main page, I will put the link in the description to the site. You can click here on assets, and here you can see you can download videos, Photoshop, template mockups, everything. So we click here on photos, and then we search for, I don't know, cars or something like this. And here you find thousands and thousands of free images. That's really cool. So a lot of them, or most of them, are free. And also, yeah, here you can see with this crown symbol, they are not free. Then you have to have a membership here. But all these without this crown icon, they are free. You can click here, and then you can simply click on download, and then you can download this image. So yeah, this is what I want to show you real quick. So, but I already downloaded some cool images for my dog blog, and let's click here when we activate it, or when we clicked here on the 6 little dots. Then yeah, we can choose here our image. Then I click on choose image, and now I'm on the media library, and I click on upload files, select files, dog blog. And here I have my images. I downloaded a few images for this. Let me see which image. Maybe this image. Then select. And yeah, not bad. And you can see the image is has an overlay. It's a little bit dark, background overlay. You can see the color is black. Let's make it something like this. Yeah, this looks better. So then we can go back. When we click here on the plus icon, then you are back in the overview, and here in the overview you have all these elements, all these widgets for Elementor. Layout widgets, I will show you this later. The basic, here are the basic widgets. You can see headline, image, text editor, video. You have thousands and thousands of, or not thousand, but you have a ton of widgets. You have widgets for everything. And Here you can see Google Maps, you can embed Google Maps, and this is why Elementor is so cool. Here under the Pro section, so this is Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro is definitely worth it, but yeah, we don't need it right now, so then we close Elementor these Pro widgets. You can see general widgets, accordion, testimonials, counters, link in bio, sites in a WooCommerce if you want to build a store. Here are the Elementor or the essential add-on widget for Elementor that we downloaded and installed the plugin, and also we installed the Xena plugin. Here are the widgets for Xena. So from the Xena plugins we later need some elements. Yeah, I have to take a look at this later. So, but now let me click here. If you click on an element, then this element will open. The edit window will open. Then you can edit the text. My new doc block. And if you want to give it a different color or a shadow or something like this, then here you can see content, and then we can go to style, and here you can style this. Here you can change the alignment, text color, typography. You can make it bigger, smaller, change the font family. Here you can see you can make it bigger and smaller. Let's make it this size. And maybe let's give it a shadow. Here you can see text shadow, that we can see it a little bit better. So let's make the shadow darker, completely dark. So this is good. Make a little bit more blur, a little bit less. So maybe like this. And yeah, this looks good. Then let's click here. Welcome to Tim's new blog, or welcome to Tim's and Cooper's new blog, because Cooper is my dog. And yeah, so then this looks good. Learn more. So this yeah, we can link later, or we can link it directly. So we click here, then you can see when you click on this, then here you see the name, visit or read our blog. Here's the links. So let's make this later. So click again on plus, then on the plus icon, then you are back here on the main page. So yeah, and of course here, yeah, you can delete this, add more text. Simply click here, and if you want to delete this, then simply right click, and then you have the delete button. Leave this for now. And also here the same, if you want to change this, simply click here. Then this is the background image style. Let me change this to a different image. For example, these cute dogs. Yeah, these dogs are cool. Perfect. This looks really, really cool. Let's make again the background overlay a little bit less, so a little bit brighter, the image. That is good. And here in the background, when we go back to the background, you can see background types. So right now we are on classic mode. You can also choose gradient. You can put in video, YouTube, Vimeo, or self-hosted video in the background if you want. Yeah, you have all these options. Perfect. So, but there's, and then of course, if you want to publish this, then you can see here the big publish button. And as soon as you click on the publish button, everything is visible for the whole world. So everybody can see this, so make sure that everything is good. And one thing I want to show you, let's say I put an image, grab an image, put it here, and I don't know, for example, I don't know how to remove this, or I made a mistake or something like this. I deleted something by accident. Then this is no problem. So you can see structure. Where is it? Site settings? No, not site settings. And then you have to go to this Elementor icon here, and then you go to history. And here you can see everything is recorded. So Elementor record every step that you make on the website. And if you made a mistake, so then you simply go here, and then everything is back. And you can jump backwards in time, and you can jump forward in time. So here, and then yeah, everything is good. So it is if you make a mistake, you can redo this. So, and also let me show you here, when we want to delete the image, simply right click and delete, then this is gone. And yeah, one thing we have to do, and then we have to click on publish so that this is published. Then let's close this real quick. So this is, let me refresh our blog, and yeah, there is our cool image. And these are our docs, perfect, looking good. So we have to do one thing. Let me see. We go back to the dashboard. Then we go to pages, all pages, and let's see if we have a blog page. No, we don't have a blog page. This is no problem. Then we need a blog page. So where all our blog posts that we want to write are stored. And then we go here, add a new page. We can close this. So this is the Gutenberg editor. So here we can use the normal Gutenberg editor. We don't have to use Elementor. And simply right here, add title, simply write blog. That's it. And then we click on publish and publish again. And then this is published. We don't want to view the page, then we click here, that we go back, and here's our blog page. So now we have to go to settings, general, well, no, it's not general, it is, see, permalinks, well, no, reading, here, yeah, we go to reading. And then here you can see the structure. The home page is on home. This is correct. And now we have to select the blog page or the post page called here. We click here, select, and then we select our blog. And then we click on Save Changes. So now our blog page is saved. Go back to the dashboard. Let's refresh this. Everything is good. And now I want to add the blog page into the header. So for this, we go back to the dashboard, appearance, and then menus. So and here you can see we only have one menu, so we cannot select anything here. You can see menu, and here are all the menu items. Home about service. You can see this home about service project. And here we want to add the blog page. Then we go to pages, view all, blog, select this and add to menu. And there it is. And I think we can delete for now service and projects. To do this, to delete this, simply expand this and then remove. Projects, we don't need projects, remove. Let's move block. You can simply grab this and move it to the place where you want it. Then everything looks good. Then we click on Save Changes. So now the menu has been updated. Let's go to the front page. Let's refresh this. And here it is. So when we click on block, then you can see we only have one blog post. And this is what I want to do next. I want to create some demo blog posts that we can see something. So only demo text and an image so that we have something to work with. And this is what I want to do next. So, and to create the blog posts, we have to go back to our main menu or to our dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Let's click on dashboard. Everything is okay. Then we go to posts, or hover over posts, and then we can create, for example, a new category. If you have different categories you want to write about different topics, then I think it's best to create different categories. So here you can see we already have uncategorized, of course, and then this is a standard WordPress category, so we can delete this. Yes, we want to delete this, and then I make a new category. So this is really simple. Here you can see name of the category is, for example, I make dog training, and here you can give a description, but this is not important. So this is everything we need. The name. We don't need a slug. This will be automatically generated, and then we can click on add new category, and here is our category. You can see currently we have 0 posts in here, and in uncategorized we have 1 post because this is the standard WordPress post. So we can delete this real quick. Hello world. We click here on trash, and then this is gone. Yeah, and now to create our new blog post, so we click on add new post. And yeah, so here you can create your blog posts. And I pre-made a few blog posts. So here you can see I have a document here with a few blog posts, and I want to create them. So then first, we need, of course, the title of the blog post. Let me copy this and paste it in here. And this is the title, and also this will be the URL. So make sure that your main keywords, if you want to SEO optimize your blog, then make sure that the keywords are in here. So, and then let me go to the content section here, and let me copy the content and simply paste it in here. Here you can see now the content is in here. Let me grab a little bit more. This, that we have a little bit to show. Okay, perfect. Now we have here our content, and so you should definitely structure your content, make it readable, make it interesting, work with headings, work with bold text, so that is really good for the eyes and really enjoyable for the reader. And also you should insert images. So, but first, let's go to post here, and then choose the category. So we want to choose the dog category, and also we want to have a featured image. So then we click here on top, set featured image. Then we can go to upload files again, select files, images. Let's select this image. There it is. Okay, now we have a featured image. And so if you want to, you should insert some images here. Simply hover over the section where you want to insert images or other widgets. When you click here on the plus icon, then you can see here a few widgets. You can also search for widgets, or you can click here on browse all. Then you can see you have on the left side here a ton of different widgets you can use. Code insert, images, of course, audio, videos, buttons. Yeah, you can insert almost everything, calendar, forms. And if you hover over them, the cool thing is if you hover over them, then you will get a little preview, so you know exactly what this specific widget is, what this specific widget does. And yeah, you can of course play around with it. You can insert a widget, and if you don't like the widget, then yeah, simply delete this. And I want to insert right now an image, so I click here on image. Then let me go to the media library. Let me insert this, for example. This looks really good. And yeah, so here, so you can insert everything. Let me see what else. Let me what columns is good. Let me show you the columns. So if you want to insert columns, for example here 100%, 50-50, so on, let's make 50-50. And here you can click on the plus icon. Image, let's insert an image here. Like this. And then on this side, we want to have, let's say, normal text. Let me copy this. Copy a demo text here. Paste it in here. Perfect. Yeah, and yeah, this is how it works. And that's it, yeah. And now all we have to do is click on publish. Publish again. Then we can see here, view post, right click, open in a new window. And then, yeah, we can see now our first blog post is live. And later on, I will show you how we can customize the page, how we can yeah, improve the design, the layout of the page now. And yeah, now I want to create a few posts. So off camera, I think, yeah, this is not that interesting to watch me create posts. I pre-made 9 posts so that we have something to that I can show you something on the website. So now I will, yeah, off camera, I will create the 9 posts, and yeah, then I will be back. So now I built all the blog posts. I built 9 blog posts, and oh, one thing I want to show you real quick. So when you want to edit this, of course, hover over this and then edit, or right click and open a new tab. And if you want to place links inside the post, so it's really simple. You let me grab a link here, for example, this link, copy this. Let's go here, and then simply yeah, mark select this, and then you can click here, link, and then paste it in here, and yeah, and then click on submit, and then you input the link. So that's really easy, and of course you can make it bigger, or yeah, bold or italic, for example, so that it really that the users or the visitors can see the link. So perfect. Then we click on save, and now let me show you how we can create or design the homepage, so that we will show all our blog posts on the homepage. Then we will go back to our homepage, and let's open the homepage again in Elementor. So right click, open in Elementor, and here is our site. Then let's put it in somewhere here. Let's put it in here. So when we want to create or put the blog post, the overview of the blog post above, for example, this block or this container, then we simply hover over this container and press the plus icon, and then plus again. And here we'll select Flexbox. And here we want to have full width box. So here you can see we can adjust the width. So here you can see right now container layout Flexbox, container width is boxed. We can set it to full width. Then the container is full width. So perfect. Let's go to plus. And now I want to insert, let me our good old Xena plugin. Let me see where this widget is. So, fancy text. Let me see, where is the post widget? And here you can see, yeah, I found it, Xena post carousel. So then we simply grab this and put it in here. So, and here now you can see here are all our blog posts, and we can choose the layout. You can choose it, make it to grid, for example. Then choose the category if we have multiple categories. Tags, we don't need this. Number of posts. Put it to 9. And here is also the read more button, so we can enable or read more, for example. So then this will point to the actual blog post. We can select an icon if we want to. Let's do this, for example. And icon effect, what's that? Okay, this is cool. And carousel settings, so show items. Put this to 3. Of course, the text is white. This is not that optimal. So then let's go to style. And here you can see background. Where is our text? Where's our text? Post. Background box shadow. Okay, here, title and content. Now, first title. Let's click here on the color. Make this to black. So we don't have any text. Here we can change the color of the read more button. So the background color is blue and the text color is white. This is okay. And this is the Xena text carousel. Now I want to show you some different methods to showcase your blog post. So let me click again on plus. Let's make a new box. And let's go plus. Then let's search for post. So post grid we have. Then let's put it in here. Post grid. Also nice. Source post author category. So here you can choose if you want to showcase different categories. Then what else? Post per page. Okay, layout setting. So column sphere 4. Here we have the words. Let's make this to a little bit too much. 30, for example. And button text, read more. So this is good. The show meta, we can disable this. So this the meta doesn't look good. Link, what's that? Okay, here we can. There's nothing interesting. So template layout, we only have one grid. What's that? Image resolution. What else? Post page. Okay. Put this to 8. Okay, why not? Good. So then let's go to style. Let's see what we have under styling. So here we can spacing between items. Let's okay, yeah, this is good. Let's make this to 6. Border, no, we don't want to have a border. Box shadow. Box shadow looks good. We want to have a box shadow. And thumbnail style, radius. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, let's make this a little bit round. Let's make it to 10. 10 is good. Typography, so the title is okay. Hover color, we have a different hover color. Great. Then I want to make this, the text, a little bit bigger. So title, where's the text? Oh, found it. Expect style. Here it is. So then click here. Let's click on typography and make this a little bit bigger and maybe a little bit bolder. So we go to the font weight and let's make it to 600, for example, or what is 500? Let's make it to 600. Yeah, 600 is good. Why not? Okay. Yeah, this is good. So content height. What's that? Whoa. Okay, this is the box. Let's go to percentage. Make it to 100%. Okay, perfect. And the read more button is a little bit small. I don't know why this is overlapping right now. So okay, now yeah, it fixed itself automatically. I just clicked here and then yeah, everything is good. So this looks good, I think. Let's publish or save this real quick so we don't lose this. Yeah, perfect. So and let me see what else. So this, just for testing purposes. So, and also we can delete this. So when we don't want to have this, for example, we don't want to have this complete container, then we can simply click on X and then this is gone. But let me see. Let's click here on the plus icon. Search again for post. So this is post grid, post timeline. Okay, yeah, this is a timeline. Yeah, I think that's it so far. Let's test out the post timeline. How? Okay, post timeline. Yeah, this is good as well. So then you can display a timeline when you published the blog post. But okay, let's delete this. So we don't want to have this. Then we click, we delete the complete container. So now the complete container is gone. And yeah, so, and the next thing, let me click on publish and let's view this in the front end. Let's close this, refresh it here. There it is. Cool. Yeah, this is good. So of course you can decide which style you prefer. If you prefer something like this, or if you prefer this style. And yeah, the next step, I think we want to style a little bit the homepage, because yeah, now we have only the standard or the default content on here and the default images. And yeah, let's make it a little bit more beautiful. And yeah, this is the next step. So then let's take care of the homepage. So then we will design our homepage a little bit. And to do this, of course, we go again to Elementor, open in a new tab. And yeah, of course, this is completely up to you how you want to design and style your homepage or all the other pages, of course. And yeah, so then first of all, let's connect this button here. This is the easiest thing. So let's activate the button, read our blog post. So, and to get the link to our blog post, we can go here to blog and right click and then copy link address, or we can go to pages and here blog to the page, hover over view, right click and copy link address. And then when we have copied the address, then we can go here and paste it in here. So then this button, when somebody clicks it, then they will land directly on our blog page. Let's go back and yeah, let's put some text here. I already pre-made some text. Let's delete this. So let's I don't like these quotation marks here. So let's delete this. Then we go here and then I will copy this, paste it in here. So, and then Underneath the heading, I want to have normal text. So I will grab the text widget here and I paste it here where I want to have it. And let me grab text I made, copy, paste it in here. So, and now, so I think the text is a little bit too small to do or to adjust this. We go again to styling, then we go to typography and we make it a little bit bigger or something like this. Maybe we will center this, yeah. And let's make the font weight a little bit, make it to semi-bold. Yeah, this is better. Let's give it the right color. Something like this, perfect. Okay, this is good. And now I want to change the images here. If you want to change this, you simply can click on the image and then choose image. And then we will put in, for example, this image, select here again. We select this image. Cool. Let me grab some text here. Click here. So this is the title, this widget. Copy this here. Copy. Paste this here and grab this text. Okay, good. So then we can you can delete the buttons if you want. If you want to delete a button, simply hover over the object and then right click and then you can see delete. So let's delete this, and now we made a mistake. I don't want to delete this. And again, to undo this, I will go to the Elementor icon here, then history, and here I can go back. So everything is good again. So, and let's visit our blog. Then here we want to input our blog address. So we go here, right click, copy link address. Then we go here, paste it in here. Learn more. We leave this for now. Paste in our blog address. Okay, then let's save this so we don't lose anything. And yeah, I like this, how this looks. Yeah, looking good so far. So, and if you want, for example, to move this, for example, at the bottom here. So let me show you how this goes. You can, for example, you can grab this, simply grab it here and paste it wherever you want. Or we can click here on the structure. And when we make this everything smaller, then we have activated now this container. And here you can see this container is highlighted. And then we can simply, so for example, if the container is right at the top and you want to move it at the bottom, then you can simply grab the whole container and move it so at the bottom. So this is how this works with the structure. This can be handy if you have many containers or many objects here. And yeah, this is from time to time, it is a little bit easier. Then the same, let's make this a little bit better. So then let me copy here a text, put in here, and I will do this. Activate this, paste this in here. So here you can see, and the images, of course, is the same here. Simply click on it and choose a new image. This image here, this, here, this. And now you can see this text, the font size and the font width of this text is different to this, what we have chosen here. So for example, now I don't want to write down everything, how big the font size is and the weight. What I can do to copy the style, I can simply go here to the pencil icon, right click, and then click on copy, and then I can go to the object where I want to paste the style. So then I go here and right click here, and then you can see paste style. So when I click here, then I pasted in the style from this object here. This is how this works. So, and what's this here? I thought you image. Let me place an image here. No, what's this? Let me go back. Open here. 50 on the left. 0. Okay. Back to 50. Okay. So when we want to, or let me see. Let me test something real quick. Container. Can I place a container here? We go here to 0, and then I want to grab a container. I want to place the container here. Now we have a new container here, and then I will go again to plus, and I grab a new container and place this container in here. And then the second container, I will duplicate this container, and this and the direction so. And then let me grab this here, put this in here, this element here, text element, and the button. This looks a little bit better. And here on this side, now I want to have my logo. So I'll simply grab an image, choose an image file, my logo. Okay. And I select the container, the inner container, and I will move this or put it to center. Great. Then here I can put this in. And for example, here this text. So then here again, visit my blog, and again we copy the link address, copy link address, there it is, paste this in here. Cool. Let's publish this, and yeah, this, or maybe this is a little bit too big. Let's make this or font width weight, it's a little bit too heavy, so let's put it back to 500. Yeah, this, and make it a little bit smaller. So okay. So let me see, what else can I show you here? I think yeah. Now you know how this Elementor widgets are working. You simply grab the element you want to have and place it there where you want to have it. For example, a video file, then you have your video here, then of course we can delete this again, simply drag and drop. Elementor Pro we cannot use. Yeah, that. And of course, one important thing I want to show you right now. So let me publish this or save this again. most of the people, of course, come with their mobile phone to your website. Not everyone is coming on their desktop computer to your website. And of course, your website always looks good, or you style your website on your big computer screen, and then everything looks good on your big computer screen. But yeah, many people come with their mobile phones, and to check how your website looks on mobile, you simply have on top here in the black bar, you have these three icons here. You have desktop icon, tablet icon, and mobile phone icon. So we click here on mobile phone, and this is how our website looks on a mobile phone. You can see we have our logo, then we have the menu here, and this is a little bit big, so for mobile phones. So then we have to activate this and go to style. And here in style, now you can see the alignment is already for mobile. You can see now we have the mobile icon, and everything that we make now is only for the mobile version. So we can, when you go to typography, then you can see again the size. When we change the size, this is already is only visible then for mobile devices. So it doesn't change the size for the desktop version of our website. So then let's make this a little bit smaller, not maybe too small. Let's make it this, yeah, this better. So then we can optimize our mobile version. And here you can see the text is a little bit too close to the edges of the mobile phone, of the screen. So then we click here, activate this text. Then we go to style, no, we go to advanced, and then we can give it a little bit padding. So make sure to unlock this here, unlock, and then on the right side, so we make, I don't know, 15 pixel, and on the left side we make 15 pixel as well. And then this looks a little bit better. This looks good, looking good. Yeah, this is okay. Perfect. Now the website looks better for mobile phone. So then we click on publish and publish our mobile version. Let's go back to desktop. And yeah, so then we did this. So the next thing, let me close Elementor. Let's refresh the website. Refresh it. Already refreshed. Okay, yeah, here it is. Yeah, this looks good. This is a beautiful blog. And let's click here on the link. So let's check if everything works. Yeah, looking good. Oh, and what I want to change now, when we are here on the blog side, on the main blog website, so I think the styling and the layout is not that optimized. So we want to optimize this, and also I want to get rid of the meta here, the meta description, leave a comment, doc training, and admin, and also the layout. I don't like the layout that much. And then of course let's go in blog. And yeah, we have to change this, and also change the layout maybe a little bit. Yeah, this is what we want to do next. So, and in order to customize the blog post, so how the blog post looks like, we simply go to Customize, or click on Customize. And then we are already inside the blog post, and then we go to blog, and here you can see single post. So this is where we can change the appearance of the single blog post. Go here, post title, so we want to have this, and then container style, let's change this to unboxed, boxed, or let's leave it boxed. Then sidebar style, we have no sidebar right now. Content width, so we change this. Can make this bigger here. Related blog post, we can content image shadow. What's this? Let's see. I don't know. Let's make this off. Related blog post. Yeah, this is good. So then we will get our related blog posts here. And here we can deactivate the comments. I don't like the comments on blog posts because most of the comments are spam comments. So you can leave this on or you can make this off. I don't know why this is not disappearing here. Oh, activate this. I have to dig in this later. So then this is everything here. So let's go to design. Okay, nothing too special here. So then let's go back. Then let's go to blog archive. And here we have the page for the blog overview. So we can make this in a grid layout, for example. Yeah, I think grid layout looks much better. You can make this in a list layout. List layout looks good as well. So let's leave it on this. Then post per page. Okay. And here we can now toggle this on or off the elements of the preview. So we want to have the title, post meta. We can deactivate this. Now this is gone. Read more button. We want to have the read more button, of course. You can show the category or you can hide the category. Tags. We don't have any tags. Let's go to design here. Okay. So then, but this doesn't fix. Let me click here on the blog post. I want to get rid of this here. Why we cannot remove this? Let me see. Here's the sidebar. So yeah, I think we want to have a sidebar. Sidebar is always good. We want to customize the sidebar, of course. You can make this sticky. So right now I cannot find the option where we can toggle this on or off. I cannot find this. This has to be here in single post, but I'm unable to locate this option. I don't know why. We don't have to upgrade to Astra Pro, so this is a normal function, but I cannot find this. But we have another solution for this. So first of all, let's click here on publish, that this is published, and then let's X this out. Let's leave the customizer. So we want to get rid of this, and now we can simply right click on the page, on a blank page, and then you can see inspect. So and this is, we can X this out. So and this is the Google Developer Console. When we click here on the little on the selector tool, then we can select different objects, and we want to select the whole row here. You can see that not an object, single object. We want to delete the whole row, so I select I select the whole row, and then the Google Developer Console selected the right row for us. Then we have to go to the little plus icon here on the right side. Click the plus icon. Then we click enter. Then we go here, and then here we write display, and that's already get pre-filled for us. Enter, and then we type none. So then this is saved for us, or this is gone for us, and then we simply have to copy this code here, entry meta display none. Then we copy this, and then we can close this, and now we go again to the customizer. And then we go to additional CSS and paste this in here. So then this is gone. So then we go to publish. So, and this CSS code tells the website or the browser that the browser should not show this row. So then this is gone. Perfect. Now let's customize the sidebar. So the sidebar, yeah, is a little bit messy. So I think we want to have, yeah, search bar is good, recent post is good, and maybe categories and all the other stuff we want to delete. So for this, we go to our backend again, and then we go to appearance and widgets. And here you can see the main sidebar. Let's see which object we want to have. So the first, the search bar we want to have the recent post. The third, the fourth, and the fifth we can delete. 1, 2, 3. Let's, we can expand this and you can see archives. We can click here simply on delete. What's this? Categories? I think we want to have categories. Yeah, categories we can leave. Recent post is the third. We can delete. See, recent post we can delete. Then this search bar, we don't need this. So recent comments we can delete. Archive we can delete. Categories we already have. Am I right? Recent. Yeah. Let me refresh this. So, and as soon as you delete something or change something, then you can see the changes right away. So we refresh the page. Let's see how this looks now. Okay. The last. Okay, categories are 2 times in here. Okay. Then delete this meta, delete this category. We want to delete. So what's this? This is recent posts, search bar, recent posts, categories, and we can delete this. So great. And if you want to have anything in here, you can see the whole elements. You can simply drag and drop in here if you want to have an image here, or if you want to embed an HTML code, then you can do this, video, everything. Yeah, perfect. Then let's go here. Let's refresh this. Yeah, this looks much better, much cleaner. Let's go back to the main blog category. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Okay, and yeah, now let's take care of our footer here. So the footer, I want to show you how you can customize the footer. And to do this, we simply have to go back to our Customiser. So then we have to go to the Customiser again. And here you can already see, so here you can already see the footer builder. When we click here, then you can click here. Let me show you again here, or you can simply go with your mouse to the little pencil icon. Then you have this version. So here, widget 1 is this block here, the text block. Can enlarge this. Now here you can see this is in an HTML code. So, but this doesn't matter. Here you can see the content. So here you can see the content. Here you can put in your name or your info or whatever you want. Then here you can put in your email address, for example. You can simply change this, info at doc block. So then this is changed immediately. The copyright text, you can change this here, current year, and the block title. You can write more in here. So, and then let's go back. Okay. And of course you can add more if you want. So for example, let me see, when we do this here, this here, and here I want to have, and I click here on the plus icon, then I can search or I can select a menu. So for example, a footer menu. And I don't know if we already specified a footer menu. So let's click on publish, go back, or this out, go back. Okay, that's something broken. Back. Columns. Let me think. Here, and we put this here. And we this 2 columns. Okay. Now I got it. Okay. The first row we cannot use for whatever reason. Then let's click here on plus and again footer menu. So then let's publish this. Let's go back, and we don't have a footer menu right now. So let's create a footer menu. Or first let's go to pages real quick, and then privacy policy. I think, yeah, you want to have a privacy policy. You simply, if you want to edit this and terms of conditions or something like this, or whatever you want in there, edit, right click, open a new tab. Then you fill this out, and then you click on publish, publish again. So then we can close this, refresh this, and now the page is live. So then we go to appearance and menus. And now we want to create a footer menu. So because now at the moment we only have our main menu, this is called menu. So we want to create a new menu here, create a new menu. So then we give this menu a name. So footer menu, and then create menu. So now we have a drop down menu. So we have now our footer menu and our primary menu. So we can switch between them. And now we want to add some links in here. So we go to view all. We want to have the home, for example, the privacy policy, the blog, and the contact. Then we add this to the menu. Now I want to rearrange this a little bit. I want to have the contact here. Great. Then we click on save menu. And let's see when we refresh the page now. We don't have any menu yet, so then we click on Customize again and go here, click the little pencil icon. Let's remove this and let's go here. Again, footer menu, configure the menu in here. Okay, then we click here. Footer menu. Now we can select a footer menu, and the footer menu is called footer menu. So now the footer menu is displayed in here. Then publish, and now we have our footer menu. Looking good so far. And yeah, if you want to customize this more, you can simply click here, and then you can add more columns if you want. You can make it 3 columns wide. Then, for example, let's make it 3. Move this over here, this here. And then here, for example, we want to have an image. Then we can click on widget, I think it is. And then we click on widget. and then we add an inner widget, and here we search for image. So, and then add an image, and here I want to have my logo. Right. We don't need a link. I don't know why this is not showing right now. Why is this not showing? Done. Publish. Oh, now, okay. A little hiccup. So then, yeah, publish. Or let's put in another one, another information text. Maybe let's go to text, add a normal text in here. Where are my demo text? Where's my demo text? Add a little text here. Now you can see the text has this dark color. So in order to change this, we have no option here to change the text color. We have to use a little trick. So we copy the content and then we go to an online HTML editor. So like something like this. And then we paste this in here. And then we select everything, and here we can make it a little bit more bolder, and then we can change the text color. Then we have to go here, and here we can change our text color, font color. So then we make this white. Now we can go to edit HTML code, and we copy the complete HTML code, go back here, and go to text, miss this, then we paste in the HTML code. And now you can see it is white, perfect. And we close this out, and yeah, this looks good. So let's change the button here, take action. Let's go again to Customiser and then to header builder. It is. Or we simply can click here, our button selected, read my articles, then we paste in the link, pages, blog, view, and copy link address. Here we paste it in. Yeah, this is good. So, anything else here? No. Not pages, single pages. No, everything good. Then we can leave this. Okay, now I want to show you how we can edit the About Us page and the Contact Us page. Okay, then let's take a look at the About Us page first. So in the About Us page, yeah, this is an Elementor page as well. And to edit the page, nothing too fancy, but you should have one, because when somebody would know a little bit more about you, then you can give some information here and or tell your story or something like this. But yeah, you should have one, and it's relatively simple. Again, right click Elementor, open a new tab. And then as soon as Elementor loads, we can customize the page, and there it is. So here again, the header image, we can select a new header image by simply clicking the 6 little dots, and then go to style, and then we can see this is a background image. Then we click here on choose image, and then you can upload an image or choose an already existing image. I choose this image. Yeah, let's leave this who we are, and here again we can select different one. So And here is the same. You can create a new box or a new container by clicking the plus icon, or you can drag new objects in here wherever you want to have them. And I made text here. So let me copy this text, copy, activate this widget, paste this in here. So, and again, yeah, this is really simple. You can adjust this and yeah, make it look good. And then when you are ready, and of course, don't forget to check the mobile view to check if everything is good in mobile view. So here is everything good. I can go back and then I can publish this. So I'm happy with the About Us page. Can access this. Let's go to the Contact Us page. And the same here. Edit with Elementor, open tab. I'll change the image, style here. Let's see, maybe this image. This is really good. And yeah, here you can put in your contact informations, or if you want, you can add a little text. So when we want to add a text in here, then we can make a new container, flex box, full width, then plus, and then here we can grab a text widget, put it in here, grab text, paste this in here. And now you can see this is a little bit too close to our top image here, our hero image. Of course, we can change this. So let me show you. Then we select the box. We click on the six little dots again, and then we can go to Advanced. And here we can padding. Yes, here we can add a little bit padding. For example, 40 pixel, and the bottom is okay. And now this is a little bit too far away from each other. Then here, Advanced, and here you can see already that padding is added. So we can remove a little bit of padding. So yeah, this is good. I like this. Yeah, and here you can put in your contact informations, or if you don't want to, then simply hover over the object, right click and delete this object that you don't want to have. If you want to connect your social media, then you can do this here. You can add social media if you have more social media. And yeah, so then that's it for here. So, and of course, right now, close this, let's refresh this. Yeah, good. So right now, of course, when they want to send you an email, your website is not ready to send out emails. So we have to give our website, our new website, the informations about the email host, the password, and yeah, the username. So to do this, this is also relatively simple. We go to our backend, then we go to plugins, add new plugins. And so if you register with your hosting company, if you are using Elementor hosting, then they will send you automatically all the informations via email. So you have it and can set it up. So then we search here for SMTP. And here are all our SMTP plugins. I like the most this plugin here from by WP Mail SMTP with this little pigeon icon. So I can click here on install, and then this plugin will get installed. Of course, there are many more SMTP plugins, but I like this the most. So this plugin, when you activate this, then this plugin will guide you through everything, shows you everything what you have to input, and this is really easy. So simply click on activate, and then the setup wizard will start. Here you can see this setup wizard, and you click on let's get started, and here you want to click on or maybe if you have one of these, then of course you can click here, but normally you will click on other SMTP, then save and continue, and here you have to input all the information that you get sent by your hosting company. So the SMTP host, the port number, and the username and the password. So this is what you have to put in. This is the most important. These four input fields here, SMTP, it's mostly TLS, then the port, then the username and the password. And here are also some some fields you can customize. So the sender name, you can change the sender name. You can force this then by using this new sender name, or you can customize the sender email address. You can force them to use the specific sender email address. So then, yeah, because I am right now on a demo page, so I don't have this, and I will close and exit the wizard, but you know how you can do this. And if you want to customize this further, you see you have a new option here, WP Mail SMTP. You can see the logs, the reports, and other tools. And also you can send test emails, but you can only send test emails when you filled out all the required fields. Then you have an option button to send test emails and check if everything is good. And then they are able to send you emails. Yeah, and I think now that's it for the moment. So if you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments down below. I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And also, I would appreciate if you put a like on the video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. This would help me a lot. I'm a small creator, and every like and every subscription counts for me. So like I said, if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below. Now when you follow this tutorial, you have a really cool blog. You can fully customize the blog. You know how everything works. You can delete objects. You can put in new objects or new text, new images, videos. I showed you how the Elementor page builder works. If you want to get more detailed information about Elementor page builder or a dedicated video about how Elementor page builder works, then you can go to my channel, and I think I have 1, 2, 3 videos about Elementor, how Elementor works. And I think Elementor is one of the best page builder out there. So of course there are a few more page builder like Divi or other stuff, but personally for me, Elementor is one of the best page builder, or is the best page builder. Now you have a really cool blog. And one thing I want to show you, I totally forgot about. So let me show you the SEO plugin. Yeah, we downloaded and installed the SEO plugin, or we only downloaded it. And so here you can see Yoast SEO. So this is really important. If you want to rank on Google and all the other search engines, then and don't forget to activate the automatic update. If you want to rank on Google and all the other search engines, this is really good when you improve your SEO. For this reason, we installed the Yoast SEO plugin. So then let's click here on activate, and Yoast gives us also a little setup wizard. So here we can click on start first time configuration, and we can close this. And here we can click on continue. So here you can change if you are an organization or person, name, admin. Then here you can change yeah, your logo. Save. We don't have any social. Okay. We can click here on save and continue. Then we can click on go to our SEO dashboard. Yeah, go to our SEO dashboard. And from here, we have to go to tools. And here we have to go to file editor. And here we have to check if we have a robots.txt or if you have a robots.txt. Robot.txts are very important for the search engines. So the search engines know what you allow on your website. And yeah, from time to time, I don't know why, Yoast SEO automatically generate the robots.txt. But in this case, you can see we don't have any robots.txt yet. We can click on create robot.txt, simply check it, and that you can see that it's there. If you see this, then your robots.txt is already generated. So then I have generated my robots.txt file and I click on save. Perfect. Then we have this. Go back here. And now let's go back to the front page. So now you can see here on the top of the browser, you can see this page is right now called home-blog tutorial. So of course this is not good. When somebody searched for your blog, then they will not or they will see this, but we have to put in a little bit more keywords and also edit the meta description. Now, it's not that hard, but yeah, a little bit time consuming because you have to do this for every page. So for this, we go to the black bar here, and right now we don't click on Elementor. We go edit to edit a page, right click, open in a new tab on edit page. And here you can see this is the page title, home. So we go further down, and here you can see our new Yoast SEO widget. You can see you can put in your focus keywords. So my case, for example, dog blog, dog blog, of course. And here you can edit the appearance. So you can see this is the Google snippet. If somebody would search for your blog or for your website, then they would see this snippet on Google. This is good that we have a fav icon, but home dash blog tutorial is not good. So in order to change this, you can see SEO title. So we can delete this, and then we can type anything in here. My personal dog blog. So, but make sure that you have your main focus keyword in here. So maybe if you have a blog about gardening, then type in my professional or professional gardening blog or something like this, that you have your main keyword in here. And also we need a meta description. So here you can see this is the meta description, and Yoast tells us, please provide a meta description by editing the snippet below. If you don't, Google will try to find a relevant part of your post to show it in the search results. So we don't want that Google decides for us which part they choose. So we have to explain a little bit about our website. So and also include our main keywords. Then this is my cool blog about my hobby, my dog. Read all my blog posts. Yeah, this is, of course, this is a little bit stupid. So make sure that you have some relevant text in here that is really related to your topic and has some few keywords in there, and that Google can see what this page is all about. And yeah, then the next thing is we click on save. And now you can see right now it is called a home blog tutorial, and when we refresh this page, now you can see it's changed to my personal dog blog, and something like this is much better. And yeah, this is what you have to do on every page. This is a little bit time consuming, but of course it depends on how many pages you have. So for example, on the About Us page, the same, edit page, open in a new tab, and here you have to edit the same. Go down, and here you will find the Yoast SEO plugin, and here you can edit everything. Leave for the About Us page, for example, or a sub page. You can leave the sub page title about, or make it about us, and then yeah, here put in your site, so it's your site name, and then give it a meta description for the About Us page. For example, read everything about me and my dog and our hobbies, how we train all the day, or something like this. And again, click on save. And yeah, so I think that's it. That's how the Yoast SEO plugin works. And yeah, now that's it. That's really it. So yeah, I think yeah, when you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And yeah, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, support me on Patreon. I will publish more and more WordPress tutorials and e-commerce tutorials. The next tutorial that I'm working on is an e-commerce tutorial, how you can build an online store for completely free, of course without hosting, or plus hosting. Yeah, I will show you from scratch how you can build an e-commerce store from scratch with a free theme, and I will show you everything. This is why you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, so then that's it for the video. So thank you very much for your time, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye guys.